Do you feel like having a snack, but there's only a phone on hand? No problem. Start chewing on your phone case, because it is completely edible today. Choose whatever you like. Ice cream, Chupa Chups, and even pizza. Bon appetit! A phone is a girl's best friend, but Blondie doesn't have an appropriate summer case. What should she do? All of a sudden, her friend with ice cream appears, and a brilliant idea comes to her mind. I urgently need to bring it to life. Blondie returns with a cute summer phone case. An ice cream factory has opened up in her phone. Sprinkle a board with starch and prepare 3 pieces of sugar paste. Add different food coloring into each. Roll out the light blue sugar paste and cut it out to be of the same size as your phone, leaving allowances at the sides for the borders. Attach the paste to your phone wrapped in plastic wrap in advance. Cut out a camera hole. Use a cardboard template to cut a cone out of the yellow sugar paste. Cut off the bottom part of the template. Put the top part of the template on the paste cone and make a wafer imprint on the bottom part of the cone with a cookie stamp. Finish the pattern on the cone using a modeling tool. Dampen the back of the cone with water and attach it to the case. Shape the ice cream out of pink sugar paste. Use a modeling tool to create an imitation of an ice cream spiral. Attach it to the phone case using water. Make a hole for a camera and add sprinkles on top. My friend keeps eating her ice cream. She is amazed to see me chewing on my phone case. My ice cream is not just a beautiful phone decoration, it actually tastes sweet. Take a bite. Don't be afraid. My friend is on her phone again. I bring a sweet present for her. It's Chupa Chups, but it's not her cup of tea. She's got a big lollipop just on her phone case. Isn't it fake? She takes off the wrapper. The Chupa Chups on her phone case is absolutely real. Melt caramel candies in a microwave. Add food coloring and pour the caramel into a semi-sphere mold. Insert bamboo skewers into a wide cocktail straw for the extra security. Press the straw into the mold and pour one more layer of the caramel on top. When hardened, take out the candy and attach it to the phone case with the melted caramel left over. Print out a Chupa Chups label and cover it with clear tape. Cut off a half and wrap the candy on the phone case. You can lick the huge lollipop on your phone case all day long. My friend is extremely thirsty. Let's quench her thirst with a Coca-Cola. Or my new phone case. A bottle of sweet drink is always on hand. Cut in half a plastic bottle toy using a heated knife. Take off the label and cover the bottle with brown acrylic paint. Spray with a layer of lacquer. Attach a mini Coca-Cola label. Trace the bottle half on a piece of plastic and cut it out. Pour Coca-Cola into a Ziploc bag. Put in a drinking straw and zip the bag. Put it into the half bottle and hot glue the plastic back. Attach the bottle to the phone case and decorate with palm embellishments. My friend is amazed. Cola in a phone? Can you actually download it on your device as a special application? Compact Coca-Cola is always with you. The only disadvantage is that you are out of it too soon. We need a recharge right now. Blondie is hungry. What can I snack with? These cookies are a gazillion years old, and there are no yummies on the horizon. But my friend brings a queen of lunch. It's a pizza. Oh, it's exactly what I need. But Blondie soon realizes it's no snack at all. The pizza is just a tablet case. Dissolve a cup of salt in a little water. Put it into a cup of flour and add half a cup of vegetable oil. Knead the salt modeling dough. Color it with food colorings. Mix yellow and blue. Sprinkle a board with starch and roll out the green dough. Cut it out to fit the size of a tablet. We covered it with plastic wrap in advance. Fold up the borders and cut off the excess. Cut out a circle from pizza dough. Shape the borders. Cover the dough with tomato sauce. Grate some cheese. Cut up sausage. Add tomatoes. Put on another layer of cheese and bake it. Cut the pizza into pieces when it's ready and attach it to the dough case using edible glue. This glue is tasteless. Blondie is puzzled. A new case is great, of course, but there is still no food. Her friend reveals the secret. The pizza on the case is edible. Take a bite and eat it without any hesitation. A nice case and a filling lunch. 2 in 1: iPod, iPad, and pizza. The blue-eyed girl is terrified of frogs. Slimy amphibians make her jump. She will definitely refuse to kiss a frog, even if it would turn into a Prince Charming. Hi-ho! I don't want to deprive my friend of a chance to become royalty. I will set a cutie on her phone case. Melt gummy bears in a microwave. Cover a chocolate mold with vegetable oil and pour some melted jelly in it. Put it in a fridge. Cover a phone with plastic wrap and put it onto the hardened jelly. Pour the rest of the liquid jelly around the phone to make borders. Put it into a cold place again. Take the jelly case out of the mold when cool. Cut out a camera hole. Attach a gummy frog using edible glue. The cute frog is a weird resident of my friend's phone. Wrap the jelly chocolate with foil and wait. The blue-eyed girl is outraged, but I give a peacemaking chocolate bar to her quickly. She unwraps it. What? Is it a frog again? I don't want to kiss anybody, neither a prince nor a king. But this frog is not spooky at all. It is very sweet. It guards your phone. And we've got jelly frog legs for dessert. Blondie has brought a yummy, a fresh croissant. Exactly what I like. But she is way too greedy to share. I will have to chew on my case, sadly. Add a small amount of water to gelatin. Melt it in a microwave. Cover a phone with plastic wrap and attach long gummy candies to it using melted gelatin as a fastener. Leave a hole for a camera. Cover the entire surface of the phone. And don't forget about the borders. Take the wrap off when it hardens and put your phone into the candy case. Blondie sees how hard it is for me to chew on the phone case. Here you are, take a croissant. I didn't know you were that hungry. Just don't eat plastic. Gullible Blondie doesn't know anything about my case. It's not plastic. These are sweet candies. Take a bite and try it out. And meanwhile, I will try out your delicious croissant. My phone doesn't stand still. It's always a problem. And unfortunately, there isn't any holder on hand. But there are strawberries. I've got an idea. These sweet berries will hold my phone. Cut baking paper into strips. Roll it around a wooden skewer. Glue the edge. Take out the skewer. We will need a few dozens of the parchment tubes. Trace a part of your phone on thick cardboard. Cut out 2 identical details and glue 6 tubes to the cardboard. Hot glue the second detail on top. This is the bottom of a basket. Hot glue it to the phone case. Attach the tubes to the case border one by one and twist them between the vertical tubes. Weave a basket up to half of the height of the phone case. Decorate it with ribbon on top. Cut off the excess tubes and fold the ends inside. Cover the bottom edge with one more tube. Put strawberries into the basket. We've made a real basket for strawberries. Now the phone stands still, and we've got a fresh, healthy, and mobile snack. Did you like our edible case ideas? Then write in your comments which one of them you like the most. And
do it! Prank wars, beauty hacks, magic tricks, we got your back. Tips, bring it in. You'll never be bored again. Slime, DIY, always a new surprise. The channel that will blow your mind.